Most AI branding tools look good on the sales page, but completely fail when you actually use them. If you're trying to start an online business, build a brand from scratch, or sell digital products, you already know the struggle. Logos, content, branding, strategy. It's overwhelming, expensive, and time-consuming. And that's exactly where tools like ProfitBrand AI come in. But here's the real question. Does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? What you really want is simple. A brand that looks professional, content that converts, and a system that saves you time without hiring designers, marketers, and copywriters. So, I decided to test ProfitBrand AI myself. No hype. No BS. Just a real breakdown of what it does, how it works, and whether it's actually worth your money. Here's what ProfitBrand AI claims to do. Generate full brand identity, create logos plus visuals, build marketing content, help you launch faster. Basically, an all-in-one AI branding assistant. Here's how it actually works step by step. You enter your niche or business idea, the AI analyzes your input, it generates brand name, ideas, logo concepts, marketing angles, then it builds out content based on that. Everything is done inside one dashboard. Now here's my honest experience. When I tested it, the setup was simple, the interface was beginner-friendly, the outputs. Branding ideas were actually decent, not perfect, but usable, especially if you're just starting. This is not something advanced marketers will rely on fully, but for beginners, it can save a lot of time. This product comes from creators who typically launch AI-based tools in the digital marketing space. So this isn't their first product, they've built similar tools before. From what I've seen, the sales page shows positive case studies. Early users are mostly beginners. Feedback is mixed, but generally decent. Important: always take sales page testimonials with caution. Here's where it actually helps. Saves time on branding, good for idea generation, beginner-friendly, affordable compared to hiring expert. Now the honest downsides. Not fully unique outputs, requires editing for best results, not for advanced marketers. AI still needs human input. This is not a push-button millionaire tool. Pricing is actually one of its strengths. Usually low front-end price, optional upsells, common in these tools. Start with the basic version first. Compared to tools like ChatGPT plus Canva, combo branding agencies, ProfitBrand AI is faster than manual work, cheaper than hiring experts, but less customizable than doing everything yourself. You should consider this if you're a beginner, you want to launch fast, you don't have a team, you struggle with branding. Avoid this if you're an advanced marketer, you want fully custom branding, you expect done for you perfection. So, is ProfitBrand AI worth it? Yes, for beginners maybe, for intermediate users no, for advanced marketers it's a tool, not a magic solution. If you want to check it out, I've left the link in the description below. Go through the sales page, see if it fits your needs. And if you decide to try it, start small.